We are very excited to be the first company in America to have the Stratasys J850 TechStyle printer. This one-of-a-kind technology allows you to 3D print directly onto any porous fabric such as suede, polyester, and denim. The direct garment feature enables users to print directly onto prefabricated clothing or accessories. We've already seen a wide variety of applications like automotive interior, consumer product customization, and fashion design. Through Purple Porcupine, you can bring your designs to life using our J850 TechStyle. If you're interested in learning more, give us a call or send us an email.